Today we'll talk about how can you create avatar on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on mine down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, click here on the avatar here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here. Then here can you create your avatar. So in here can you swipe, then it's going to show for you here your here is in the news, and so here can you select to create your avatar. When you're done, go above save, click on it here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.